While this red running horse emblem still looks great on the back for a 2015 Mustang GT, today we're going to install something a little bit brighter from X-Lume. This smoke chrome taillight panel emblem is going to fit the rear of any 2015 through 2018 Mustang with the exception of any car made in 2015 with the 50-year package. It will be a direct replacement for your factory running horse or GT emblem. It comes in a smoke chrome finish that'll light up red when power illuminates to it. Again, this is a direct replacement, and today we're going to show you how to install it using our 2015 Mustang GT. For this installation, we did a 1/4-inch ratchet, 7mm deep socket, T20 Torx bit, plastic pry bar, center punch, drill, 3/16 drill bit, and if you have a factory subwoofer, T30 Torx bit, and a 13mm socket. The install is going to require us to remove the taillight panel to install the emblem. So the first thing I'm going to do is pop off these two covers to access the bolts. There are going to be some clips we have to pry off, so at this point what we're going to do is put some tape on here just to protect the paint on the edge of the trunk. Using a plastic pry bar is probably your best choice here. Just carefully work your way down and pop it out. And don't forget to unplug the camera. You want to put the panel face down on a surface and protect it so you can work on it, because this panel will scratch very easily. Now, if you still have an original panel, untouched running horse or untouched GT on the back, these will actually be little plastic rivets. What you can do is just carefully drill them out, or even a little flat blade screwdriver sometimes. Now in our case, our emblem is aftermarket and it's held on by double stick tape. What we're going to do is kind of push the tabs through to try to separate the tape to make it easier to get off. And now we'll clean that surface now that we have our horse removed. Okay, now you want to grab the provided template, and there's only going to be one stud that lines up. What you want to do is basically get the horse in the shadow where the original emblem was, make sure it's straight where you want it, and we're going to mark this hole right here in the middle. So we're going to drill a hole for the wiring to go through. Now we're going to carefully drill the hole through. Okay, now we're going to grab our new horse, take the wiring harness, you're going to fish it through the hole that you just drilled. We're going to remove the double stick tape, so we're going to attach the emblem. Basically what you're going to do is line up the back hole and just pull the wire through, and that will line the horse up. And then just press down and double stick tape. We're going to fish the wiring harness then through the trunk panel, down this factory wiring and connect to our taillight. So what we're going to do now is remove this panel to make it easier to fish the harness. Okay, I can fish the harness through here. When connected, make sure you slide it into the lower brackets. And then pop it on and lock all the clamps down. And then reinstall the screws. connections, the power of the light come from the right side taillight. Now, if you have a shaker car like ours is, you'll have to remove the subwoofer to get to the taillight wiring. Start by removing these 3 screws for this outside cover. Now remove these 2 bolts that were exposed by removing the cover. And the Torx screw right up here. Plug the harness and put it aside. And release these 2 clips over here. Pop this off. You can reach down and access the wiring. The harness is right down here. Now you have to tap the wires before the plug. There's a little clip holding the plug on. If you pop that off, it'll give you a little more room to work. This is the harness we're going to connect to right here. Included are 2 red posi taps. Now you're going to use the black wire for 1 tap. Then the other taps can depend how you want to make the light work. You can use the yellow and brown if you want to light up just as an additional tail light for the car. If you want it to be a brake light, you're going to tap into the purple. Okay, I'm going to make the connections. White goes to black, and then red will go to either the purple or brown and yellow. Once connections are made, you plug the harness back in and reconnect the clip. Now we can connect up here, black to white, red to red. Once connections are made, either hit disarm on the keys or just open your door, you can check your light. All right, everything works. We can go back through now and hide all our wiring. All right, now that we tested, everything else is good. We're gonna hide all of our wires and put everything back together. And your installation is finished. Our X-Lume smoked chrome running horse emblem looks great on the back of a Mustang turned off. Looks even better when it's lit up. Now again, you can run it like a marker light like we did here, or you can also run it as a brake light for increased protection. Overall, the installation is pretty straightforward. Figure about an hour to an hour and a half. Be back on the road in no time. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you click on the CJ button so you subscribe for future videos, and click the corner up here for more videos for your Mustang.